Mentri Ketengat pohiing jong jylla ubah Lahkmen Rymbui uloong bagi paidbah kidei ban Ngeit Bieit ne kynnoh klumar ya kama ksuid. Hynrei lada shem ya jingjia kiba kine kidei ban pyntip bor kaan. Haba pynrem jor ya jingjia Nongdisong West Khasi Hills District kaba uwei parat ulak shah im kiba hayeng halor jingkynnoh ban ksuid. Mentri uloong bakaan kan le ya donkam ya kito baroh kiti kane kambaman.
This issue have been come up times and again. And in fact, from the government, we have issued advisory times and again that the people, if there is anything, they should not take the law into their own hand. What happened in West Khasi Hills recently, it is condemnable. It should not happen. I totally condemn this act of the people like that. And I take this opportunity once again that for anything, we should not just believe. There is a law which will take care for the needs of the people. So if there is anything which people are suspicious of anything, they should report to the authority concerned, so that the honestly loss of human life should not be there. So let the law be the process of law taken care of in those type of case. So once again, I reiterate that I condemn this type of people lynching, this type of superstitious thing. I totally sympathize with the people, with the family of the person who died in these circumstances. So I appeal to the people that let us not take the law into our own hand, and but in this instant case, the law will take its own course, and whoever the perpetrator of this, some have been arrested, and if more, then will be the process of law will duly do over there.
So don't you think like it's necessary that the government instructs the local heads to start an awareness, educate the residents of the village and all, and bring awareness?
You see, the law is already there in place, the advisory is already in place, because this is not a new thing which happened. It happened times and again. But sometimes I don't know why the people, in spite of knowing that the repercussion of anything which they do like that, still they are doing it. So I wish that this will be the last instant case, that I wish and that the people should not take the law into their own hand.